Hello friends, this is Harsh and today I am going to teach you the PHP self and parent keyword. Self refer to the parent class that is and it is usually used to access static method, members and constants while the parent keyword is most often used when wanting to call the parent constructor or method, right? So we will look at a simple example to give you some idea of what it can be used for. So I'm going to create a class book, and in this book class I'm going to create a constant which is constant name self and parent keyword self and parent keyword and simply arrange this code. Okay, and now I'm going to echo this book class and double colon which is known as the scope resolution operator and constant, and simply break. I'm going to test my code. Yeah, so it simply echoes the self and parent keywords, right? Okay, so now I'm going to, because I declares a variable, my variable is a constant name which is the self and parent keywords, and I simply echo this class with this constant and I'm using a scope resolution operator. Now I'm going to create another class which is author. No, this author extends book class. Okay, and in this author class I am going to create a static property which is author1 and author1 like my name simply Harsh author1, and I'm going to create another static property like author2 which is heavy. Okay, and I'm going to create a method is a static method, static function which is get names. So this is my static method, static function is get name. From here I want to retrieve my data, so that's why I am given just this name, get names. Okay, okay, so now I'm going to use the self and parent keywords here, right? And also I'm using extends. Extends means, this simply means that the new class author extend which in the new class will inherit all the properties and methods of an existing class which is book. So author inherit all the properties and methods, right now we do not have any method but we have a property. So author inherit the uh, book property which is name, right? And now I'm going, no, I already create a static function, static method get name, and I'm giving, I'm going to use the self and parent keyword from this function. So I simply echo this, echo book parent name. This class extends another class which is book. So this is the parent, right? This is the parent of for this class. For this class author, this is the parent. So parent name. Okay, and this is the parent for this class, and this is and this is author 1 and author 2 is belongs to the self class, because author 1 and author 2 I am using here is belongs to the same class, that is author. So that's why I'm going to use self keyword for author 1 and author 2. So simply echo author 1 thought on getting self author 1 dollar, because we are using, because we have to use dollar in case of self. Okay, and the same is for author 2. Just arranging my code. Okay, now I'm going to call this method. Oh, we got an error on line number 16, undefined variable, line number 16. Oh, sorry. Okay, so book self and parent keyword, author 1 Harsh and author 2 is also Harsh. Oh, sorry, author 2 is Heavy. Author 2 is Heavy, author 1 is Harsh, right? And the parent name, which is constant, is self and parent keyword. Okay, so in this video, I think you just know the basic ideas of how we use self and parent keywords, right? Okay. Thanks for watching.